We're going to make 3-piece hood patterns. My name is Jean and welcome to Pattern Studio 101. I post pattern making tutorials every week. The videos are short and easy to digest. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss new lessons. We made basic 2-piece hood patterns last week. I showed you a few designs you can draw with 2-piece hood patterns. Today, I'm going to show you a 3-piece hood which has a separate centerpiece. And then we'll trace them out and add seam allowance. We're going to use the hood patterns that we drafted last time. If you haven't watched it yet, I'm going to put the link at the end of this video. This is 2-piece hood pattern we made last time. We are going to make a centerpiece. From CBN, center back neck, I'm going to mark 1 inch. You can decide the width the centerpiece you like. It doesn't have to be 1 inch. Draw a line along the center back. Keep 1 inch distance. At the center front, I'm going to mark 1.5 inches and draw a line. Connect the 2 lines nicely somewhere in the middle. We're going to trace this side piece only, and we'll draw a new centerpiece. Measure the new curved line. Mine is 22 inches and 3/8. Draw a vertical line with the length you just measured, and draw a horizontal line 1 inch. This corner should be 90 degrees. It's a CBN. Draw a horizontal line on top. The corner also should be 90 degrees and the length is 1.5 inches. I'm going to divide this vertical line by 3. First 1/3, draw a line 1 inch width. And the top part of 1/3, draw a line 1.5 inches. Connect 2 points and through the line. I want to check if the neckline is nice and smooth. Place the center panel and side panel together because we're going to sew these 2 lines. Make these 2 points meet each other and see if the neckline is smooth. If you need, through the line. Let's make notches. From the top head, I'm going to find the point 4 inches. You know, it doesn't have to be 4 inches. It's just an example, so you can go 5 inches, 3 inches, whatever you want. Make a notch. From the neck, I'll go 6 inches up and make a double notch. It's a good idea you have 2 different types of notches so sewers are not confused where the neck is, where the top head is. When you trace out, the center back will be a fold line. Make a notch at the center back neck. So when you stitch with the back body, you know where it should be matched, center back to center back. Let's add seam allowance. Seam allowance would vary depending on fabric thickness, type of stitches you want, the way of constructions. If you want to make the hood double layered, 1/2 inch seam allowance would be okay in general all the way around. But if your hood is single layer, then you might want to have a facing, you know, around your face. I'm going to rotate the pattern for the grain line. You will cut 1 piece of the center panel and 2 pieces of the side panel. Are you having fun with pattern makings? That's it for today. If you have any questions, comment below. And please click like button if you like this video. Here's the link for basic hood pattern drafting. Have a beautiful week. See you next time.